Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to fix the device not supported error when trying to install Fortnite on your Android device from the Epic Games Store. Let's dive right in. If you encountered the device not supported message in the Epic Games Store, don't worry, we'll fix it. First, open your browser and search for Fortnite APK fix. Visit the first website, appfix.net. From there, download the APK file by tapping on any of the provided links. Once downloaded, navigate to your file manager and open the Downloads folder. Find the APK file you downloaded and tap on it to install. After installation, perform a security check to ensure the file is safe. Now, return to the Fortnite app and open it. It may take a few seconds to connect. Once connected, it will prompt you to do a quick update. After the update, you can start playing Fortnite on your Android device, even if it's not officially supported. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please leave your questions and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.